Pala tayo dyan.
Batangas Port. Ay, sa Batangas Port. Kaya, para silang mga food stalls here. Go! Pare-parehas ng ata yun. Ah. Ah, may Chowking sila here. 10:45 pa yung departure namin. So, mag-eat muna kami dito sa Chowking. Ah, sit down na kaya. Wala kang plato na kayo. Makiplato ka na lang kay mama. Sige na, ikinin. Yan. Breakfast.
Hindi ako kalalayo ah.
Ayun na, Montenegro Lines. What's that? Ayan yung to go pa Boracay ata.
Wow, mommy, this is so cool.
Wow, it's so cool, anak. This one, Montenegro Lines. Yes po.
I love it. My most favorite is the
Okay, saan na kayo? Where are we now, Freya?
in the boat.
In the boat, in the ferry boat. Montenegro Lines. Ayan.
I love it here.
Ayan siya.
Sa Puerto Galera punta yan.
Apo, diretso na sa Puerto Galera.
Ilan
You're excited?
At pinayuhin po ko
Who is the best predator?
Sanay Camino.
Experience the history and culture of Batangas. Natural heroes are most honored in Batangas. Mabini, Laurel, Recto, Jocto.
Party at the beach.
Na. Lapit ng bumaba. Yan, mga daungan. Yan, here na sa Balat Airport. Ito yung sinakyan namin na Montenegro Shipping Lines. Ay, ferry boat. Ganda. Let's go, nanak! Let's find the to pay the environmental fee. Let's go! Come on! Kian, come here! Yan. Port of Puerto Galera. Lawak. Yan, doon. Babayad ng environmental fee. And then ay magsusundo sa amin ng van papunta dun sa hotel. Let's go. Pasok. Sit down, anak. Pwede ka sa likod.
I don't miss ma.
Ano?
Car tayo ng Netflix. Tatay, papa,
Mm.
at bus, at
We're here. Ito yung
We are
nabukong hotel resort here. Dreamstar. Ayan, check-in muna kami. Ang ganda. Oh. Dito yung ano nila. Dito yung dining nila. Pwede na ba tayo? Wala pa. Ayun. Ay, ang ganda. Lobby. Hello po. This is our room. Here's their bathroom. And then, meron kami ditong king size bed. And ito ay extra bed.
Mama, I have a cup.
Tapos free na siya na
Then drink water.
free breakfast for tomorrow. Ayan, for 2 nights. And this is the view. With pool here. And yan. Ayun, ayun. Where are we going now? To the beach, anak? Ito yung mga... Ay, oo nga, no. Ito yung sagala ni Sed. Ito yung ano... The Mangyan Hotel. Ayan. Jolly Sweet. Yung nag-hotel, ano siya. Going to White Beach Hotel. Ay, White Beach Resort.
Sigurado.
Ayan. South View. Ito, nakita ko rin to sa Agoda eh. Wow! Here we go. White Beach. Ang sidewalk. Mamaya na, nak. Ano muna? Ay, oh my God. Ito musok. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang ano, sidewalk. Sidewalk. Ang ganda sa dulo.
Yung sando.
Ayun yung sand. Magkano pa picture kaya dyan?
30.
Kaso against the ano pa yan eh.
30 for them.
Against the ano eh. Against the light pa eh.
Pag may pa sunset mo. Parang ganyan yung katawan.
Kaya tas sexy. Ayan. Hanap kami ng food.
Laro lang naman sila doon.
Okay, beach. Mamaya na kami maliligo kasi mainit.
Hanap ka ng rock ng fish. Kaya.
Get it, Freya! Get it! Yung crab.
May crab pa!
Kaya nga.
Punta yan sa ilalim.
Hulihin nyo, i-catch nyo. Dali, igata natin. Charing. Joke lang.
Lalim yan.
Ding dang, ding dang, gong, ding, ding.
What are you making?
Castle.
A castle? Okay. That's nice.
Look at Uncle's dinner.
Yeah. Okay, can you show to the vlog? What did you make?
I made a castle and then I gotta
Ordering ko na.
put some boards.
Okay. Okay? No, you finish your food now. You can swim after you finish your food. Okay?
When I finish. Look, I will teleport somewhere.
Okay. Okay.
I can teleport to Kian.
Swim pa muna.
Boom!
Kian, be quiet lang.
Hello guys, I know how to swim.
Okay.
It's my birthday. No. Dapat ayan na lang, ma.
Next time, sa birthday ni Kian, may ganyan.
Okay na yan. Ilagay ko na sa side.
Here's our food, lunch.
Sisig.
Dalawa yung itlog na.
Wag mo na.
Hot yun ha, don't touch the plate.
Ilagay ko lang ito.
Chick silog. Chicken yan. Dito kami kumain. Okay. Ito ulit tayo sa beach.
So we're gonna go over here. This is the south view.
The south view.
And then we go here and then the beach is over there.
The beach is over there.
You remember the way? I remember it.
Good job.
You remember? We go here and then we go
Where's Kian?
we go
Saan tayo nakapunta dun?
Nak. Hi. Sunset time. Nandito kami sa dulo ng White Beach, Puerto Galera. Ayun din yung pinaka-main niya talaga. Ayan. Tapos puro siya. Puro siya. Ano ba to? Mga bar, restaurant. Here's the sunset. Going home, balik kami sa hotel. Come on, Kian! Balik na kami sa hotel. Dinner, pizza and pancit. Ano kami magkanin, yan na lang. Dito kami sa poolside. Nak!
Pag Boracay, sobrang kanilang cost mo. Ito kay mami na.
Eat na, dali. Para makaswimming na kayo dun, no? Last day. Okay, okay. Half of my egg.
Meron muna na isang plato.
Bigyan kita
Ang
nito.
tatakip ko lang dun sa...
Basta ma.
Apa, o sige. Tigkalahati tayo. Ayan. Going home. Ian.
Ano, marami ka? Marami ka ng plato.
Party at the beach in a Copacabana. Sitting in the beach in a Copacabana. Me and Brittany and Becca last year. Living in the free.
Hindi pa una na naman ang volume ng tao.
Bali, ano? Yan. Boarding na kami. Pabalik na ang Batangas Pier. Same, ano, same ship yung daanin natin.
I am a
Montenegro
winner.
lines. Okay,
I
may.
decide.
Okay, let's go. Faster, anak. Mainit. Ayun, doon.
Since I am a winner, I will you.
Bilis na.
I am a pro.
Go to dad. Let's go. Fall in line there.